Today I'm going to show you how to make ground beef. So first heat the oil over medium heat and cook onion slices until lightly golden. Now here I've got half kg ground beef. Add the beef and break up with wooden spoon. Then add ginger and garlic. Then add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, little bit of salt, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix until well combined. To this, add half glass of water and leave it for about 10 minutes. After about 15 minutes, add half cup of yogurt. Keep stirring, then add roasted cumin and coriander seeds. One tablespoon lemon juice. Give it a good touch with onions. Six to 7 green chillies. Garnish with coriander leaves. Ground beef with onions is a flavorful combination. Share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.